Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to Major Hardware. Hey, this is a little video that was requested by someone. I can't remember when it was, but it was a while ago. Somebody wanted to know how to make a DIY green screen. I didn't have a green screen, but I wanted one, so here we go. I'll show you how I made one. All right, well, it's pretty simple. This video won't take very long, but basically the idea is you're gonna need a green color of paper, is what I use, or a green sheet, something green that stands out, you know, not the same color as something you would normally wear, so you get a good contrast between yourself and the screen. And also you need some lights to, you know, make sure that no shadows get cast on your green screen, because that's one of the big issues. If you're gonna use, like originally I was gonna use a wall, you know, just a plain color wall, don't wear the same color as the wall. It'll work as a green screen, but the problem is when you try to light the wall, you can't get even lighting, you get hot spots. And when you try to use it as a green screen, it doesn't really come across good. You'll get some places where you see, you know, a good background of what you're trying to show, and then you'll get some areas where you can see the wall. So when you use a good green chroma color, you get, you know, a color that's not shown, you know, in objects you wear, and your software is very easily able to distinguish between yourself and the screen. So I'm going to show you how I made one. It's really easy. You can do it yourself. All right, so now that I have you at a better angle, you can kind of see what we got going on here. This is basically just construction paper attached to a wall. And what it is, this is, you know, 28 by 22 construction paper that I picked up at Micheals. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, anywhere that just sells green construction paper. You'll be able to do this. And I literally just taped it to the wall. Okay, so now that you're way back there, you can see that what I also did is I have, you know, two lights, you know, shine on me so you can see me, but I also have these lights that I made in this video that I'll link up above that are just, you know, softbox lights that I made and I was using as background lights. So you're gonna want something, you know, you don't want your only light of your green screen to be the light that you're also shining yourself, because you're gonna get shadows, and then shadows will have bad contrast and you won't get a good green screen effect. So you'll want some lights shining behind you, you know, on your green screen. And I'm using these, you know, DOI softbox lights that you can make easy with cardboard and LED lights, super easy to make. Click that link if you want to see how. And that's basically what I got. I got two lights on me and two lights on the green screen, and it, you know, helps eliminate all shadows. So in a nutshell, there you go. I mean, there's not much to it. Just the things to remember is that if you're going to use this method, to make sure to get, you know, a bright green chroma color construction paper. It doesn't have to be lime green. It just has to be like a green that has a consistent color between the sheets. And you just want to make sure they don't leave any gaps where you can see the back wall. You know, something that the camera is going to be able to distinguish between you and the screen itself. Also, you want to try to light behind you. You don't want to just have your only light source being what's in front of you, because then you'll cast shadows and you'll have issues with that as well. So if you got some extra lights, or if you want to make some like I showed you earlier, you can just position those to shine behind you and you'll kind of eliminate all the shadows, and you should have, you know, no issues using your green screen. Hey, but thanks for watching, and hey, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want, consider subscribing so you won't miss any future videos. And hey, if you have a suggestion for a video or a DIY project that you want to see, make sure to leave it in the comment below, and we'll see if we can make something up for you. Thanks for watching.